Today's progress on the fence build. They came and poured part of the cement, as you can see down the wall. So that is the top cap, or I should say the middle cap, and they're going to connect now down to the anchor points from that. So I assume tomorrow now they'll come take the forms apart and continue on behind me going this way. And like I said before, this is phase one. They came out and got the rest of the cement poured for this top cap wall. They're finishing it up still right now. You see the truck was able to get up in here. They're just finishing up the last bits of it now. It's a smaller cement truck, so it makes it a little easier to get around in this bad conditions. I see he was only able to back up to about here from this side, and he backed around the pond to get over there. So the only thing I see left to do here now, they gotta start putting in the tiebacks. That's probably the next thing they'll do into these locations here. You see where they got the steel rebar tied up right there, and it'll aim down into those. Well done. Getting close to the end of this phase. You can see backing in here with a cement truck, that's as far as he could get in here. So our bucket brigade had to take over again and pass buckets all the way down to the end. The rains at least hasn't rained in the last 2 days, so they're able to make progress. But everything is so muddy here that they just can't get the cement truck in. It would have been nice to be able to drive right back there. But this is what it is. Good morning, everybody. It's only like 6 a.m., a little before 6. A light rain already starting today. So I'm walking quickly back to the back before it really starts to come to see what they were able to get done yesterday. I didn't come back here. We got back late from the house. And since we're getting a little drizzles, I can't fly the drone out here. No gimbal Bob. I left the gimbal in the house because I was hurrying. I wanted to get here before it started raining too much. I've been hearing the thunder for probably the last hour. They're preparing the fields here, getting ready for rice. This is not our property, it's the neighbor. Okay, this is the progress, the tiebacks. That's going to be really strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like they've got 5 to go. 5 or 6. And they're all done going back this way. The fence crew out here, they had to come get under the shelter. There. Rain decided to really start coming down again. They're thinking they can't catch a break. It just rained last night, and I figured everything was going to be really muddy, but it's dry already. It's so hot, humid here. We're going to see if they finished up the last of the anchors. I see them out here working right now still. We left the house a little bit early so we could see what was done here. So I'll update at the fence. I see they finished up all the anchors now, and they're doing a clean, smooth finish on the top part here. So except for bringing the excavator in here and filling these holes in now, backfilling most of the fence, this is done. They're finishing this up today. They just have a little piece left. So I'm going to call this the end of phase 1. And whenever phase 2 starts, we find that money tree, we'll continue on with a second episode, or a second, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, if you enjoy our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.